will bring you guys another maintenance, how to maintain your crochet hair. It will be another video coming, but let me just tell you guys a little more about this. So I have basically almost 12 braids going back. I try to do 6 on this side, 6 on this side. Sometimes it turns out 13, but just in case you split your hair in the middle, in the center of your head, and you want the fullness to be the same on both ends, make sure you have the same amount of braids and you crochet in the same amount of hair. So 6 to 12, so 12 braids in total going back. Your hair braided in around, you know, in the back of your head. I'm getting tongue twisted, and yeah. Then you get this style. Take your time, crochet your hair in. I'm sure most of you guys know how to. I've been rocking this for years. I have a 3-pack of number 1 in. I know the show's number 2, but I have number 1. I just recently did someone hair. I actually will be filming a tutorial on a client's head, so you guys can see how I do the braid pattern. But it's very simple. 12, sometimes it turns out 13 braids going back. I make sure I split my hair in the center, okay? And my braids are small to medium size going back. And in the back of my hair, I braid it going around. And yeah, that's about it. I take my time and I split this hair in these sections. I can do 3 crochets with each of these sections. I do not crochet this whole big braid in. That's how I think the mistake is made, by your hair looking like it just has 6 to 7 pads of crochet hair in. Baby, that ain't cute. So this hair is 18 inches. What I do, because I have a round face, I bring the hair to the front like this, and then I start to trim. I frame the hair to my face, so you know, no matter what I do, it looks cute. I really do not do this. I really dislike seeing a nice crochet hair and it's like not shaped to your face. It just came out the pack. You didn't do anything. I know it's fake hair. It's fiber hair. But we're trying to give more of a realistic vibe. You know, just like the lace wig. So when you wear your crochet, honey, shape it to your face. Or tell your stylist, don't just let them install it and you just get out the chair. Oh, I look cute. No. Shape the hair to your face. Do some layers in the front. Bring the hair to the front from the back and just shape it. Just shape it. Because you'll have that block, some up, some down, some up, some down in the back of your hair. In the back of your head, I mean, when you don't shape your hair. The layers look better. It looks cute. I'll be having another video on maintenance of crochet hair. And the reason why I did not, you know, wait 2 to 3 weeks or even 4 weeks to show you guys how this would look is because I've been rocking this hair for years. I've been rocking the same hairstyle. I have tried different types of deep waves, and I have to say, LULUTRESS Deep Wave, I rock with it hard. And I've been rocking with LULUTRESS for years. I always like this style of crochet hair, deep wave, better because it just lasts longer. Literally, I don't put products in my crochet hair. I put my hair in 3 to 4 big braids, just like I did my wig one, my synthetic wig, and I put my silk wrap, and that's it. I put my bandana. I sometimes do the pineapple, and honey, it's done. And this will last you a very long time. So no matter how, let me tell you, crochet hair is the way to go, okay? I love my protective styles. I love wearing my crochet. I love this brand of LULUTRESS Crochet Deep Wave. It's the only one I like in deep wave. And trust me, if you know me, you've been following me on IG and Facebook, then you already know that I've been rocking crochet hair for years. And I don't know if I ever tagged the hair in, so I'm just doing it now to let you guys know, because you know, I'm more now on YouTube, so instead of someone just asking what type of hair, I just make a video, and when they ask, I'm like, it's on my YouTube channel. So sis, if you love the way that this hair came out, you like more crochet hair reviews, please like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media handles. So I'll be putting a few clips in somewhere around here. And thank you, Beauty, for joining me today. I have more styles coming up, and thank you for joining me.